Live account trading, guys. Live account. As I can see, $150. Currently waiting on this to win the currently waiting, guys. If you're watching it live and you want to get in on this, you can join. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lots. 6 crash 900 that other. And this is the 150. Oh, 150 actually close. We'll keep this order open. Actually, keep it open just in case. Yeah, almost guys, and you can get in, here's the order and wait. We're now trading crash boom 150. Alright, good, let's just wait. Just Alright, so waiting there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five of them waiting. I'll exit this. Check out that one. Right, let's wait. Come on now. Give us the spike that we need. I think we should have moved some of them, like come down a little closer, give it a little spread, because we don't want them too close up. Alright, so that look a bit better. Leaving that right there now. So we're just waiting, guys. We're just waiting. This is a down market, but I know it will spike soon. It have a lot of potential to spike there. It's now 22 or something like that. Let's just wait. Account is at $153. One of them about to open right here. Alright, one open. We're in now, guys. We're in. We're in on buys. 2 open. On the third, wait. Why the third one not? We just make it stay. No problem. So we're two lots in already. Now the third one activate. We're now waiting on a spike to the upside. Here. -$3 so far. $5. Ooh, beautiful spike. Beautiful spike, guys. We're gonna take profit. Beautiful spike where I can take profit and say thank you, Lord Jesus. Alright, we'll take that. Because this market is in a downtrend. We're just scalping it. As you can see, it's a quick scalping. Come back right where the low is on top there. It's about to go back down. So we're not going to be staying in that. It might take another spike come to this mark, but we're not staying in it because it's already top here. This low. So we just took this trade live. We made what, $5? It went up back a little. I'm using Deriv, hi bro. I'm using Deriv broker. Just took this trade. Got a one spike and we got out. The reason why we wouldn't stay and wait for more spike in this market won't be going up for long. It's in a downtrend. If you look at this market, you can see that it's in a downtrend. It's been falling from way up here and it's down here. So why would we hold it? What are we trying to do? Go against the market? Nah. What are you trading? I'm trading crash and boom currently right now. But let's look at some VIX here. VIX 25. Yo, this is a dangerous market right here. So on a daily time frame, this market is an uptrend market. Alright, so I'm gonna mark out this. This double bottom there. No, it's actually not a double bottom. It didn't reach it. Guys, to be honest, I don't know what this market wanna do. This one is really confusing a bit, but this has been like buying for long. This is a daily time frame, and look at this. It's just been going up ever since. And this market is very volatile, very volatile. If you just hold this market and a buy, listen, this is just one lot size, as you can see here, one lot. If you just hold this from here to here, that's 30,000 right there. Just imagine, look at that 0.5, 15,000. This market is very volatile, but it moves good. Especially this is a buy market, so it goes up a lot, like a lot. I'm gonna check back my peers real quick. That see what's setting up and what's not. I want this to go up more before I enter it. I want it to go up about somewhere like here. Yeah, that look like or somewhere there. I trade crash and boom. I trade with the spikes. I don't trade against the spikes no more. I used to do that, and you know what that do to my account? Let me show you guys. You know, like look at these loss. This is not no easy loss. $29, $29, not no easy loss. So you don't trade against the spikes. I used to do that, but I stopped. I start to trade with them. You have to find a strategy that you can work with and identify the market when it's going to spike or not. Like this, I like the 300. I like the 300 pairs and the 150s. That's why I'm currently. I just got this trade, by the way, guys. I was up $5. As you can see here, it's where I got in, I got out there. This is my second trade of the day that I took, and I'm looking for a third one. This has potential. That's 9 candles already. Going higher time frame. Wondering if you want to do a reverse go that far or even less. I have no idea what this is. No, I'm trading Deriv, bro. Volatile pair. Hearing about volatile pair, I'm trading Deriv. Look, bro. Not forex. Trading crash and boom indices, as you can see here. Crash and boom. See? Spike already. But we don't want to catch them there. We want to catch the bigger spikes. Bigger fish. Oh, this still I go down more. You see why, guys? You just get in the market and they give you a profit, you get out. Like this is why. If I was going to continue to hold this, listen. I had like five lots in this. Let me show you something. What was that? Well, hold on, let me check how much was it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It was 9 actually. So I'm gonna say 9 lot. Hold on. Alright, so this would be $11 where I would took, but it wasn't $11 because I kinda split up the, what would I say now? I didn't just put in 9 lot by itself. Put in 1 lot, but it add up to 9. Now look, the reason why I'm come out of this is not downtrend. So this market don't respect nowhere about here. So it just take a one spike because the market has to go up before it go down, and it have to go down before it goes up. That's how the market works. So you just let the market do the thing. I see it in a downtrend. I see I can get a potential spike. I take the spike and come out. See it spike back here, so again tap back here, and I'm about to go down more. I don't trade against the spikes anymore, so I wouldn't take this to go down. But someone who trade against the spikes can really take this trade, and it would go down. See, that would have reached $15 minus. That would be minus $15 already. So just imagine. Waiting on another chart to set up currently, guys. You have to be patient. A lot of patience when you're doing this. Because this will reach where you want it to reach, and when you try to enter, waiting the chart. Oh, tomorrow is Friday. Currently looking for a trade, guys, but you have to be patient. Miss a few of them to this evening, especially like this one. Miss this one. Miss this, cause I was supposed to take this. Like, it's cool though. It's cool. Gonna find even a better one. See, guys, this is why you have to know. You have to have a strategy. Cause I used to lose a lot, but I just kind of stick to my strategy and just work with what I can. I'm not pressure the market. Sometimes I just run down the market. Like, I want to just run down the market. I don't want to wait for it to get to my entry or nothing. But the key to it, guys, get a strategy and wait patient. Alright, so this is my real account. Let me go on a demo. You'll feel like this account is real too, but it's not. So, alright. Let me go on. Let me look first. Alright, so this VIX 10 is looking like it wanna go up. So we're gonna put that one lot there. A 10 lot, another 10 lot. So So this is what I'm basically saying, guys. Just stick to your strategy. If you don't have a strategy, find one. Find a strategy and work with it. Like, I didn't analyze this market or nothing. I just went on it and I just said, alright, buy. Because just the way how it look, my mind is telling me, alright, buy. And see, it break already, up $14, $11. Let me actually analyze it now because I don't want it to mess around. Hold on. Oh, I know what I say. Well, this actual market seems to be like it's a down. Whoa. That's a big downtrend, bro. You don't want to be in this. You don't want to be in this. So this is like things that I talk about. It's a downtrend market. You don't want to be trading against it. You see, this has been going down ever since. Like, look at the chart. Look at the chart. Just imagine like a market going down this long. Like, nah. It's just down. Yo, this pair is crazy, bro. No joke, like, you don't want to be in this for like a buy. Even if you're scalping to come here, I wouldn't. Even if I feel like I would more likely look for sells in this market. You don't look for buys in sellers market. You look for buys in buy market. So you go on the daily and look and see which trend the market is in before you enter. You look for entry. You don't just jump in. Like, even this is a big downtrend. You don't want to be in this for a buy. This is just retesting somewhere like, alright. Hold on. Hold on. Alright, so look. This is just retesting back here. And look at the big pullback already. Right now I should even look for a sell on this. I should just wait until the daily to close 7 p.m. and just enter for a sell. Like, no joke. But alright, let me go back to my peers, see if I can find thing to trade. I don't trade those peers. Hold on. ECH. Bro, me just take off this so why it come back. Hold on. This market too, this kind of stay a little weird right now. Meaning it look like it's a do a lot of things, but it's not cycle. It's not really cycle. Yeah, but I actually wait on it still. I'm waiting on it to like come back down. All the way down there, bro. Nah. That's way too far, bro. Alright, this like it have a bit of potential. You can wait on it too. As you can see 7 bar already. That that do some things like oh, this actually sprint up back. Well, I don't regret that I exit it. I do not regret that I exit. Hey, 150 can get a push to the upside and come like up here, you know. Just copy that and you can get a retest to that level. Or come back even there. Because as I can see, this is a double top. This is a double top right here. So we could do too, we could have just put a small lot size. So if it even don't spike there, because this can use 0.2 lot. Wait, you cannot use 0.2 again? Oh, 5 are the lowest. This market not that volatile, so it's alright. You can put it at this one, so by the time you reach up there, it fill in the order. Because sometimes it reach the order them and don't fill them in. Wondering if I should take this one though, because this one doesn't really meet my setup. I would just take it because of the double top. Nah, to be honest, this even though it has a double top here, this is not really my type of setup to enter a trade. Let me look what trend this in. Oh, it's an option. It's in an option. So probably this like just a little reverse to go back to the upside. Let me see if it can reject the area again. Let's see. Let's see if this candle is gonna close above it on a 1 minute time frame. Currently watching. Ooh, weird. That look like it won't go up back. If it go up back to a level, I would take an entry. If it go up back to a level. That's what, 12 bar. Alright. Where this can reach is to know. Thinking like probably like here. No. Wait. Half of this one you reject? What was that one again? Oh, I see this. I see why it reject off of. I see what's going on. It reject from it because it just weak on the top. So 300 create that 9 middle. That's quite a big. This have some nice spikes in it, guys, but it takes a while to spikes at time. You got to be able to can tell when or where it's gonna spike, like close by. Because if you cannot tell that, this market is not really a good one to be like practicing on the thousands ones and the 900, even the 600s one. They're not easy. It's now 1:24. I'm gonna be streaming until like my phone reach a percent where I will say I'm gonna get off. Said it already, this crash 150 has potential, but it has a lot of wicks here. You can wick off from like any one of these here. This one is invalid, so I'm gonna move it. But I'm thinking for it to come to this zone before, so I would say like this zone. Some of those right there. Look how far it is from. Oh, that's a good spike. We can wait. But yo, that's far though, bro. Nah, that ain't coming so far, bro. That is not going that far. Well, possible still, because it's an option market, but probably not right now. And we're just looking for a trade right now in the crash or boom. watching it though. I'm gonna just watch it. Gonna just watch it. Plug in my phone, guys. Which market would it say we go watch? Yo, this is a good market, you know, guys. I make money out of this, but this pair, man, it's not easy. Not easy. Wait, should I take? Wonder if I should just take one of these trade live. Object. Alright, I'm thinking to take one live. Hold on, let me just mark out this real quick. See, it's rejected from there already. Wait, it was the third one. Nah, I wouldn't take this because of the candle size. This candle is not as big as this one. Say like what would I say there now? You just add an invalid candle to me, like not a valid one that I would take my trade off of. Currently waiting on this, guys. This is what I'm watching. Waiting on this to get down here, then go like this, give us a good spike to the upside, and we'll take profit. We'll add more along the way, but just put a one position for now, that when the market reach, we'll be notified. I will know when the market is here. Crash and boom is not that bad, you know. You just need to know when to enter and what lot size to use, because hey, this pair can be how would I put this on? Can be a pair that a lot of people don't like. I know a lot of people don't really like these pairs, but I trade them because I realize I can just get even a few spikes for the day, and I'm just alright. That's me for the day, instead of I would just be in a market. But I'm not dissing or saying who trade these pairs are not good. They're good traders, but these trades are just a lot of weak candles. Like, man, like, bro. These are not some easy trades, man. And the jump here, I was trading some jump pairs. These are crazy too. These pairs are wild. Like, the jump pair stand up to their name, and it's called jump for a reason, because you see this pair jump, this pair take a dive. This pair is not normal. Not normal. You see this? This is a jump, you know. This is one big jump to the downside. Fill out back all this here with the liquidity. It looks to me like he wanna go down though. see mother. Hold on, let me see what trend the market is in. Oh, it's not really one-sided. It went up, come back down. Possibility of it going back up, but I don't really find that trade like my type of trade. Let's check back our trade to see if it spike as yet. No spike as yet, guys. Currently overall 21 to 22 bar. We're gonna move our buy position down more because I realize it has potential to go down even further. Market on one of the inner highs there. Wait, oh my gosh, bro. That's what, 21 bar. That wasn't bad, but I wouldn't take this at 21 bar. No, like this. Guys, this is tricky, but I wouldn't take that at 21 bar. This is setting up as well. I take this one and exit bar here. I take it for a buy, but this is a selling market, guys. You don't want to be in this for long and buying. You just want to get in, get a few spikes and know that alright, I'm out. You don't want to be in the market and say alright, skyrocket, let's go to the moon. No, this is a downtrend. It's a downtrend. But imagine let's just say, imagine though, you have like a 10 lakh TP buy and you hold him from here where price is at now. That's $3,000, $4,000, 50. That's $21,000. Not bad. 5 bars. So we change from the boom 300. We're currently watching boom 150. Alright, we're watching 300 as well. Crash 300. Watching crash 300. 13 bar. Let's see where this. Oh, I mark up this already. We're watching crash 300. We're gonna wait for it to retest for us to get in on a sell. Wait, let me delete this because this already spiked and we didn't want to get in here. We wanted it to go down more momentum to go up more, because guys, the market goes up to go down and it goes down to go up. So sometimes you see this, that's more like this is going way down, but it goes down, then it goes up a little for probably you to get an entry or something, but it goes up a little, then it just go like, alright, let's go down. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But yeah, watching, bro, this spike already, bro. Nah, change up plan. We're not watching that. $150. Yo, hey, we're watching 300 before. Crash 300. We're watching it. watching it, guys. Patient, waiting for it to come to our zone before we enter. We won't try to enter the market early. Hmm. 50. 50. Let me see. If 50 give us 3 nice pretty candle right here, we can get in as well for ourselves. But if we don't get those candles, nah. As you can see here, it's going down. On the daily, it's up though. You see what I'm talking about? You have to go on the daily first and really look what's the market about. This is an uptrend. This is an uptrend market. Come back down to a nice low still. Alright, so waiting on this too. This give us the other nice candle with free movement. It give us the next nice candle. Alright, that's one more. Get the charts ready, guys. Get the chart ready. You see how this candle looking long? Yes. Probably it's spike before we even get in, but I wanna wait. You see how this candle is big and the other one is little? That's why you have to wait. You have to try it. Alright, you see that? This should have been let me see. That would have been $17 for us. It's 3 lot size. So this is the thing that I kinda like about this market. As it move money. But sometimes it's tricky. Just from this small movement. If I should even buy it to go back up there, that's $20. But I wouldn't buy it on it. I don't trade against the market again because I used to do it. Alright, we have to keep an eye on our crash 300. $17 currently, almost reached where we wanted to. Keeping an eye on it, guys. Close watching. Crash 300. We're watching you. I think I take this trade. I trade on it this morning. Did I take? No, it was crash 150. Hey guys, probably should have gotten in the crash 50 though, because it's moving, yo. That's $41 right there. Just that little movement is for what? Look at this, $55. Like what, bro? But it gives a nice candle before it actually push. Wait, let me get a free movement. Give a nice candle before it actually push to the downside. Two nice candles. But I don't normally wait on 2. I wait on 3 nice candles like this candle. See this candle right here? Hold on. This candle right here is what I look for confirmation to tell me that yes, I think it's gonna go down. You know, 3 of them. It only give 2, and the 2 that it gives is not so perfect. The second to last one, as you can see, it's not long as the top one. You see the top one? It leave no wick on the top. No wick. It just wait, go up, and then the other one beside it would leave a wick and go down. This market is a downtrend. This probably go floor. Like no, I mean it's an uptrend, but it probably go back to like down this low. As you can see, I was marking it up. Hey guys, we're not paying attention to that, we're trying to watch the 300. Wait, no way, the 300 spike already? Bro, oh my gosh, bro. Oh, the chair that looked pretty that we were watching, bro. 19. Yeah, guys, like the live, follow the page. This soon spike again. Do not to watch 150. Do not to watch 150. 150, they make making some like sharp move, then just spike. It's not holding. Crash 5, boom 500. I would trade it like same way I trade the 50 on the crash. Basically same thing, but just that one go up, one go down. The crash goes up and the boom goes down. Bro, sorry, bro. This shouldn't have spiked as yet. I wanted it to go more to my zone. Like, look how close it was. Look how close it was to my entry zone. Like, and I wouldn't even enter off that one. I would be like somewhere here. Like here. I knew that, yeah. Well, it can still go up, but I wouldn't enter it on that full force that I would with. That I would. That's 600. This soon spike. I know this. Let me just give some markup because I would just scalp it if it goes to a place where I would like. I could just scalp it. Oh no, not leaving out this where it can come top back. Have to mark out that as well. This is invalid, so let's move it. Move it to the other row. Alright, so this is a little zone right here now. It's a little zone right here. $19. Nice good zone. Put it to a 2. Alright, so I put a position in this. I did not enter as yet. I do not enter as yet. I just put a buy stop. That's why I think it's gonna get a spike. I just put a buy limit there. Waiting on it to come down. It's at 7 bar. Wait, no? 8 bars. Alright, watching it though, but just as I was about to say, I wouldn't be surprised if this spike right here, because this market, it's not giving us any little more scalping. I just scalp it here. This was what 20, 24, 25, somewhere there. Yeah, about that. And it just not giving us any more entry because we be like, alright, take your bag and go, which I appreciate. Bro, it not even reach this zone. This is my zone right here. But alright. We chilling, see. We chilling, guys. I'm gonna delete the Let's move on. Guys, like the live. any pair in boom and crash. And the 300 is really going back up, bro. Two beautiful candle. Those are some big spikes, yeah. $86. Guys, nothing else is not setting up right now to give us a trade. I don't see what else is setting up right now currently. Comment up here, guys. Comment up here to look at. Ooh, sweet. Like it's still going. Like, nah. This pair has some really nice spikes, guys, but it just sometimes it don't set up to where I want to enter it, because this is where I was thinking to enter it, guys. I just come right there and said, alright, that's where I'm stopping. But nevertheless, we're watching it same, man, because it can retest back to even this high, or if we want to hold and wait, we just wait on our original high, because this is an uptrend market. This is an option. Let me show you guys on the daily. You can just look on the daily and see that it's on an uptrend. So that's the market is doing is just some simple reverse and all that. I actually was in for like some sells from up there, but I didn't hold the positions. I exit like a few after. But yeah, comment up here, guys. I can check it out and see what's going on. Let me see what a crash 500 is dealing with. 24 bar. Let's see. I'm a mark it up. Mark it up real quick. It's raining where I'm at, guys. $500 looking like it would come to this area before I would take like a buy, a sell on it. I mean, guys, I don't trade against the spikes again. I used to, but I don't do it again because it's some dangerous games. One spike, remember that spike doesn't stop at stop loss. It just take out it. Spike doesn't respect stop loss. So there's not really even a point to set in stop loss in when you're trading crash or boom. So I would say like this year, wait for it to come to that year, then target back this like high or this somewhere here. We're gonna just place the limit. Just place the limit right there. So waiting on this to come up. I hope it doesn't spike as yet. It's now at wait, alright, yeah. I can see my sell limit. It's now at 25 bar. Waiting on it to come up more. I hope it doesn't spike as yet, guys. I really want this trade to come up to entry and just tongue down like if it reach entry and it has a good amount of bar, I would add like more positions. So like, alright, let's say one. These are some two lots. So one two lot from there. This is $65. I wouldn't target that low. I would target like here. So this is $30, and said I would like put in 3 of these lots. 3 times 30, that's $90. $90 I will be making off that trade. And this will move like quickly, because these are some really big spikes, guys. Some really nice size spikes. Yeah, that's scratch 500. I'm currently watching it. I mark it up and I'm waiting on it to come to my era. That's scratch 500. Guys, I still can't believe the 300 doors like that. Like, look how close it come to entry, then just spike. Like, couldn't you just come to my entry point? You didn't want us to get in, but it's good. That's why it's good to be patient, though. It's good to learn patience. You're not just rushing the market. I used to be doing that, like rushing the market, running down the market. Just be patient. Wait for it to come. You see, it just spiked from it, come back up. And now it's at an entry point. Like you see right here, it's spiked again. It's gonna come up even more. That's why I wait, because this spiked already, so I wouldn't get in. I'm currently waiting on the 500 though to come up here. Right, this cool. Not setting no TP or no SL, just just know that, yeah, it's that zone. If I should set a TP though, I would say that this high right here, this high, for sure. Like, that's why I mark out it too, because I want it to like reach here, just pass, doesn't react from here, just reach there and just push forward. Reach here with slow down. I'm not gonna wait for it to spike to get in. I'm just gotta wait for it to reach like here and open up the lot. Then the next lot I would place above this line. I know you're probably wondering, you're not setting any stop loss, so when you're gonna get out if it doesn't spike. Alright, listen. You realize I have another line right here. This is minus $8, and that's on one lot. That's on one of the positions. So that would be 8 and 8 is $16. So that would be $16 with the 2 lot that I would probably put in. But I'm not looking at no loss. I'm looking to win. It's now at about 30. It's 29. That was a good guess. 29 bar. Waiting on it. Let's look at something else in the meantime. Wait, this actually can like come up back up more, but I don't think this is gonna come back to give us an entry. This is gone. Like, this won't come back to give us an entry. This is just gonna go like somewhere like this. Gonna go like somewhere like take its time and come back to this level and just be like, alright, let me show you something. Floor. And it comes so like it actually close the entry. We got like one of these like somewhere here. And it just come here so and this side say it not going up anymore to our entry and just floor. Would have been in like good profit on this right now. Even though it's a 2 lot, guys, would have put in multiple of them. See, that would be like $20. $20 times 4. That's what, $80. We'll be up $80. Like sweet. Bro, the trade God left us, guys. But we're not crying. We're watching 500. Yes, 500. Push, guys. You know, it's a funny thing too. When it's going up, we want it to push to go up to our entry. But then, as soon as it reach our entry and we get in, we're begging for it to spike. We're begging for it. We're begging for it to spike. Hey, if even someone even enter like here, like all this, they're thinking that it's gonna take a spike off there. They'll be in loss right now. They'll be in like minus $15 depending on the lot size that they use. That's minus 15.80 cents. And a trade is not a losing trade until it closes. So even though you can be in that drawdown, you still can win that trade. Still can win that trade even though you're in a drawdown. If it do leave from here without a spike and come back to this level, I would enter because that would be like a retest before it continue go down. Because it push off from here already. It push off. It just drop. Boom. Come back here. This now come up. Retest here. No reaction yet. Come back. This as a retest already, as you can see here. This as a retest. But it still can retest back a third time. Come back somewhere like up here, from here to here. I would even like just put my sell limit there and put a stop loss. Put my stop loss right there, like tight stop loss. Tight stop loss. Because I know that this should be getting some spikes, so I wouldn't hold it for long. Like just a 2 lot and wait for some tight spikes. And if it really go up there and doesn't get any spike along the way, I would enter. But I don't think it's gonna go up there. It's gonna just go something like somewhere close by and just be like, nah, stop right there. Alright. Let's see if it's gonna have any reaction of this. Let's see if it's gonna have any reaction right here. It can. But we're waiting at the high. We're not taking that much of a risk. Because if we enter from here, which is right there, and it should go up here, that's minus $9, and it still can spike and come back, put you in profit. But why try to be $9 or $10? Don't draw down. Try to be in the profit. So I'm waiting. It's now at it's now at 33 bar, guys. No, it's at 34. About 34. I wouldn't say 35, 34. So we're waiting on it. Like the live, guys. Like the live. Please and thank you. I was thinking to get in this, guys, but nah. From here. This market is very volatile, bro. But I like it. I like the pure volatile, bro. No other peers setting up right now that I like see interest in. You see, this is not gonna go back up to our entry up here. It's gonna just go like probably like here and just spike back. But there's a possibility it doesn't respect here. Doesn't respect here and just come back to our entry and just be like, alright, listen, take an entry and be rich. Bro, no way. Bro, what? You see that? You see that, guys? You see what I was saying? Like, look, it reject right off the line. Look. Right there. The line is marked already. From there. Hold on. Right. Look what it did. It reject from it. It didn't go up to this high. It didn't go up to this high. It reject right from my mark. I marked this from it was like way down here. I marked this high and said, alright, let's see if it's gonna reject from it. And it did reject from it. It reject from it and make a double top. It did reject from it. As you can see right here on a 15-minute time frame soon. Alright, there. So now it actually has the potential to like just drop from there. But bro, this one I'ma stay out of this one, bro, to be honest. Because I didn't want it to spike as it. I wanted it to come to at least this low first. So I'ma stay out of this one. This one is kind of tricky because it did reject from it, so you could get in for a sell, you know, because it reject from it a double top, but it really has the potential to go higher. So I wouldn't want to go in this while it has the potential to just go higher, then give me a sell. If you realize this is a like open gap, what's happening to this gap? Like, doesn't it want to fill in this gap? It would like fill it, come to about here, come to about right here. Then you know that yes, it's in a zone that is strong to sell. Come up here. What do you see up here? Up here, right here. Here red candles, like it just want to sell. So I would wait for it to come back to that side, not just to touch the wick. But as I said, guys, if you want to get into this, you can with a small lot size though. The smallest lot can go in this 0.2. It's not that volatile of a market, as you can see, just from where it spiked a while ago. That's 42 cents. That's cents right there. To make some good money off this, you need to like put in a 5 lot. That's $10. That little movement that you see right here, that little candle to come right here, that's $10. If I was to catch this from down here to come up here, That's $67. As you can see, look on the TP, $67. But I don't trade against the spike again. I usually do that, but I don't do it again because it's a thing that can really blow your account. Remember that crash and boom doesn't respect your stop loss. It doesn't stop at your stop loss and be like, oh, your stop loss, I'm gonna stop. No. Bro, like actually, just get back to our entry, please. And let me enter and you just go back to the floor. Like just drop back, tank. And I'm actually gonna set a limit right there. I'm actually gonna set the limit right there. As you can see, the limit is set. Wait, it's a 5 limit. Alright, let me tone it down. Bro, let me tone it down to 3. Alright, so a 3 lot there. 3 lot from where it's at to down here. That's 19.30 cents. As you can see right there. 19.30 cents US dollars. Let's see if it actually come back here or here. If it do come back there and doesn't spike, first it will probably go like to this side, which is minus $8 to win. That's $18. So that's what ratio is that? Hey, I don't know, but what I can say is that's not a bad trade. 8 and 8 is 16 and you're making $19. That's not bad. Watching this too. Watching this. Mark it up a bit better. Watching it, guys. So that's boom 300. Crash 300 actually coming back to our entry point. Like you see this, guys. Like it just come here, doesn't reach the entry, pull back like it wanna go down, doesn't come up back in the entry zone and drop. Come back now. So I would exit from it reach here. Like I would have in about 2 lot and I would close 1 or probably 3. I would close 1 already though and make 2 run or close 2, make 1 run. It all depends. Let's fight back there again. Come back in our entry zone. Seems to me like you can go really higher now. Watching the 300, guys, because we don't want it to spike without us in it. We want to be in it to catch a spike. I will be streaming later on in the night as well, so you can get on. Then leave a sub. Like the light. This is gold for all the people that trade gold. This is gold. We're on gold. I don't really trade gold, guys. Gold is a very volatile pair. Let me just turn off that real quick because I don't want to make a mistake and enter. Look at that, like one candle can make it $1,000. Like, yo, that's wild, you know. .05. Gold is very volatile. It's a very, very volatile pair. Very, very volatile. Gold is very volatile. This little move from here on the 30 minutes. This is a 0.05 on gold. And this alone would make you $590 on a 0.05 lot size. So just imagine, you said, no, I don't want to go cheap. I want to go big. You got one lot. That's $11,000 US. $11,000 from here to here. This is like 30 minutes there, 30 minutes there. That's an hour, 2. Alright, so 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours. That would be a 3-hour trade to make $12,000. And if you want to level it up, go a 3 lot, that's $36,000. Yo, that's some big boy thing. Sorry, but I can't do those trades right now. Like, the smallest lot can go in it is 0.05 and it's still 0.01 and it's still volatile. From here to down here, it's still $100. It's still up $100. It's in an uptrend though. It's in an uptrend. See, it take a move to come down here. Possibly can go up back. This was the news from that time. This must be on news. Like, this channel is way too big. That has to be on news. Check back on our pair, guys. Alright, 300 looking clean. 12 bar looking clean. Come on, 150 push. If it push I cover to my entry, guys, I would advise y'all to get in. 300 is moving like if it eventually go like 40 or so, I could get in, but not now. Ooh, that's a good spike from 50. have I been streaming? Oh, it started back. Okay. Waiting on the 300 guys to tap in our era. We're gonna work with this inner structure. Waiting on it guys, waiting on it to reach in our zone before we take our entry. We won't just rush it. Like the live guys, waiting on it. We're gonna look on some other market in the meantime. This is a 1 minute time frame. That's 15 candles on the 1 minute time frame. Thanks for the like. 15. Bro, 150 is like messing around with us or something, bro. Just push. Wait, it actually looks like you wanna push off now. And I would mark this low for it to come back right here. Wait, it's actually lower than that. Alright, right there. Yeah, but let me mark out a zone. Oh, my zone is already marked out, as you can see right here. Wait, this need to come under here. Give it a little space. Right. And this like would be like here. This is one of mark right here, so that just be a zone where it can come back to. So hey, we're actually watching 150 again. Watching it again. Let's see what it will do though. Let's see what it will do. Like the live guys, like the live, please and thank you. That's what now, 7 bar. Going 8. Alright, look, what's the 300? Ooh, 300 looking clean. Still not reach where I would enter as it. Waiting on it to come here. Right there. Let me put like a limit. Put a limit there. It's a 2 lot. And put another one here. No, I feel like I'll put even another one. So that's 3 of them. 3 of them right here. Alright, yeah. So watching 301. Alright, we're not watching 150. 150, we're not watching you. Okay. Bro, 150 is. This 300 probably won't go that high. Probably it will like spike before. Cause it retested already. Unless you want to retest again. Let's see though. I mark up this already, so let's see. Hmm. 500 top here shows resistance and just boom, gone. So I said I wouldn't worry to enter because it spiked already. I would be in drawdown right now if I had entered this. I would have entered like somewhere here. Now I'd be in drawdown. That's $12 minus $12. So I wouldn't do that. Trading comes with a lot of patience. Like wait. That's 7 bar already. We're looking at it, not really watching it a lot. Bro, the 300 spike. That one, as I set my and I already set 3 bar limit waiting on it, and it chose the spike right there. I don't really like that spike that it got also. That's 14. 11. Currently watching boom 50 index. If it gives us like 2 of these clean candles, I will enter on the third one. Bro, it already did. Like that's $20, yo. It was clean though. It was clean. I won't lie. That was clean. Guys, I'm hungry right now. Like, bro. Alright, so let's see. The 500. But what should I say about 500 now? 500 didn't let me enter at all. It didn't let me enter. That's where it stopped. I have a position in it's quite right in front of my buy limit, so I'm gonna delete it. It's too close. If it's that's way too close, man. I was watching this, but yo, this spike like 2 times within, like, I didn't want it to spike there. If you look at here and right here, those are 2 mini spikes. On the higher time frame, you won't see those. As you can see, I don't really see those on the higher time frame. So those are like momentum to go back down more. So now, come on, 15, give us the right movement so we can enter and make some money. That's 7 bar. I'm watching it. Watching 50. I mean 150. It's that a little bit close. Bro, like, just go smoothly, bro. That's like 8. Like, right, 7. That's 7 candles before it spiked. I wanted it to go down more. Let's see what else we can watch. Ooh, this is a clean movement right here. That's a $20 spike. Not no more. That's no $30 spike. It's a good spike. $600 looking like it wanna give us a setup real quick. Let's see. Keeping an eye on it. Keeping an eye on it. I'm gonna mark it up real quick. Right here. No, it wouldn't be that one because it already retest. Be somewhere like here before it continues to the downside. Let's see what if the market is in a downtrend. Well, it's actually an uptrend. It's in an uptrend. No, oh my gosh, bro. That sneak up on me, bro. I didn't mean to enter this. Oh my gosh. Bro, no way. That entered, bro. Like what? That's -$3. Bro, oh my gosh. Guys, I'm watching this. I left my trade open and bro, it just -$3. It's something though. I put the buy limit and it entered. I didn't remember that it was open. That was a good thing that I come around here and check and see that it's actually open so I can get out of it. I'm watching this. I'm watching this. If this goes where I want it to, yo, I just need a nice one to set up. waiting on it, guys. We'll see what's happening for this now at 8 bar, making it 9, making it around 9. Finally, this to get the push. Alright, so 10. So that means that one need 5 more minutes. That's at 30. Probably just come back to this right here, so then take it spike, just retest back, put a next one right there with it. Right there. If not, that's high. Alright, so if this is at 22, that means 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. That need 8 more minutes. Trying 8 at 10, so at 10, so 3 o'clock. This get a spike before it reach 5. Alright, so we're waiting on it to come down. We're waiting on it. Watch this in the meantime. I'm feeling tired. Waiting on it to come down to the entry. It's a 2 lot right here. It's getting there slowly. So 5 more minutes. Can look for it to get a quick scalping in B300, boom 300. That right there. To be honest, I don't see a zone of this where I retest come back to. But this are here, so. Send 2 part, let me see so far. Because I want to come back to the high up at the other side too. But I don't think what a spike. What a spike that is. That's a good looking spike right there. That's $39. That's a big spike, to be honest. Oh, come back close to that. Alright, so this soon reach entry. Can look out to take a buy and boom, 300. It's now at 27. Thinking if I should put the 2 lot here and put a 1 lot here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. So a 2 lot down there and a 1 lot right there. The 1 lot is a much playing of safer. Playing it safer. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna put 0.5 there. So I'm gonna put that there. I'm setting it up properly. That there. That right there. And the 2 at the back. That's like 30 now, right? 29. Alright, so this is a kind of a nerve-wracking one, but we're gonna see. It's not really a AA plus setup, but it's looking alright. Alright, that's 30 now. Let me just make sure. Alright, so that would be, bro, no way. No way. Like, look how close it come. No way it come that close just to spike right there. No way. Like this close to come just to spike right there. No, you know what? This trade wasn't even an A plus setup still, but it was close though, because it reached 30, which is a really good push, then looking for a spike. Oh, it's actually 29. See, it reached close. 29 is not far from 30. That's unlike the 31 it spiked. Yeah, see, at 31 it spiked. It spiked 30. I'ma put me thing them there, so I already feel it just stopped in. Now I have to look for a different shade. It was looking so clean, like, nah, bro. It was looking clean. Me. Alright, so I think that's it right now. Good evening.